Hi Planty people, it's Lorinda. I'm here at the Orange County Fair to see if my entries won any ribbons. So I didn't have a whole lot to enter this year because, you know, my stupid injury, but I entered what I had. So I entered in specimen carrots, which are 3 carrots that have to look pretty identical. I entered for largest carrot, and I entered for most unusual carrot. I also entered in for specimen pomegranates and one of my flowers, the only flower that I had, which are my climbing roses, lavender crush. So I entered that. Oh, and one of my berries in the other category, but we'll see. I'm excited to see if I won any ribbons. So here we go. You know, this whole process is so much fun, and I love doing it every year. And you get a free ticket for entering, so you get to come for free. And I posted a picture earlier of me on the Orange County Fair Express, which is, if you don't know, a shuttle within Orange County. It has like 4 different pickup stops in Orange County where you can ride the shuttle from the pickup stop directly here to the fair for only $4 round trip, and it takes you back. So that's pretty cool. And you don't have to drive, you don't have to pay for parking, because parking is $15. So this is only $4 and they take you there. And then you can get your drink on and don't have to worry about driving home. So that's pretty cool. It's back this year. It hasn't been here since COVID. So that's really, really exciting. So it was a lot of fun on the ride. I got to do my makeup and all that crap while I'm on the bus. So, and it's air conditioned, even better. So anyways, here we go. We are starting with most unusual looking. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty weird. Here we go. Oop. That one I knew would be first. I saw this one when he brought it. Looks like it's open heart surgery on the carrot. Here's my little funny little carrot. I didn't win, but it's okay. Who got second? Ooh, this is pretty unusual. That's cool. Ooh, and that's a big carrot too. That was third. And this is a unusual cucumber. I think that's my friend Sarah. Big pumpkins. Look who got first place for pomegranates. Super cool. So many cool things. Eee! Okay, these are the specimen carrots, and look who took first place. Awesome. Who was second place? Oh, Kylie. And third, oh wow, those are really pretty too. Exciting. That's pretty cool. 2 ribbons so far. So I want to show you something. So see mine. I clean mine very, very well. I scrub them, I pick off all the little hairs along the sides. I make sure the ends, the little end tails, are trimmed to about the same length. I'm very precise. And like these ones I think are a little more similar than mine, but they still have the little hairs on them, and they don't look like they were scrubbed as well. The same with these. Like these are way bigger, and I think had they scrubbed them better and made them look cleaner and presenting the better, these ones might have won because they're bigger than mine. But my presentation looks a little better. These are all the things that you have to do for the fair, and I made sure all my stems were trimmed identical to 3 inches. Very specific. And this is another third place too. Those are really pretty carrots too. But their stems aren't trimmed exactly the same. Making them look identical really matters. Just a little tip if you're going to enter into the fair. This is the specimen in the other category. There's my big, beautiful blackberry. She didn't win, but she's still pretty. But look at this big garlic that won. Super cool. Who won second? Second is for the plum. That is a pretty plum. And I don't know who took third. Oh, right here. Swiss chard. That is huge. Now this is the largest item category. My little fat carrot there didn't even come close. Look at these big boys. They're huge. That's rad. I mean, like, these are some serious monster carrots here. Oh, but look at these tomatoes. Look at how giant they are. I don't have any tomatoes this year. There's my friend Melissa. Shout out. That's a beautiful tomato. Okay, so that wasn't bad. 2 blue ribbons, that's really cool. So now we're on to the flowers, and this is my favorite. I love walking through and seeing all the beautiful flowers. I only have the 1 rose in there, but we'll see, you never know. Here we go. Such a pretty one. Pretty roses. I don't see my rose. These are the roses. Oh, that's the climbing species. Those are very pretty. But I don't see mine. Best of class. Super cool. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is so cool. Pretty roses, I love them all. Oh, some of these are really pretty, but they love mine. Wow, look at those.
I am.
No sunflowers for me this year, but look, it's so pretty. Who took first for sunflowers? Of course, that one right there, so pretty.
Yeah, I think you're right, Mom.
Ah, the zinnias. And the plumerias. They smell so good. My plumeria died. Well, there you have it, Planty people. 3 first place and a best of show. That is amazing. Super cool. I am like on cloud 9. I really did not expect that at all. But hey, I'll take it. So I encourage you all, if you grow anything, enter your stuff into the fair. It is so much fun. You get a free ticket for entering, and then you get bragging rights for the whole year. So anyways, thank you for watching these videos. This is only week 1. Next week, I'm going to be entering stuff for the Bueno Park Community Gardens, which I help and coach them in growing. So I'm really excited to see if we can get any ribbons there. So stay tuned. Anyways, get out and grow something. It's a beautiful day. Bye.